Most welcome to Brilliance Academy. Today I am with the new topic resonance energy. Very important topic it is. So first we study about the resonance energy. Define I am going to with the help of example, and then with questions, some questions I am giving to you. Understand what is the resonance energy, right? So resonance energy is the theoretical difference in molecular energy between a resonance hybrid and the most stable resonating structure, right? So I am going to write here the definition first. It is the theoretical difference in molecular energy between a resonance hybrid and the most stable resonating structure of the molecule. So beta, the resonance energy is equal to the resonance energy of hybrid resonating structure minus resonance energy of more stable resonating structure. It is hard to understand the resonance energy through this definition. So I am going to take an example here to define you each and every concept related to the resonance. So for example, phenol lone pair is there on the oxygen atom. It is going to delocalize with the benzene ring because the conjugation is there. So these pi electrons come here and this shifts through this direction, and the next structure will be, next resonating structure will be positive charge on the oxygen atom, and here comes the double bond, and these pi electrons come at this carbon atom comes negative, and this, right? Now this move to here and this comes at this carbon. Now this carbon possesses negative charge. Here is the double bond, oxygen, hydrogen, positive charge, and here comes the double bond this time, and here is the double bond. Now again shifting takes place because the conjugation is there, and the next resonating structure will be negative on this carbon this time, oxygen, hydrogen, positive charge on oxygen. Next, now this move to this direction and this again move here. The next structure will be this. Now beta, don't confuse between this structure and this structure, because when we are going to write the resonating structures, this structure is differ from this one, because this one has the pi electrons at this direction and this structure has pi bond at this direction. So they are differ, right? So here the resonance hybrid will be, the resonance hybrid of all these structure will be OH, and the pi electrons movement takes place throughout the molecule, right? So this is the resonance hybrid, right? Now if this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is fourth, and this is fifth structure. The stability order of these structure is, but these, as you know, if you are going through the conjugated part, if you not seen so far, then reach to my channel and first see the conjugated videos related to that, all the parts of the conjugated videos, then you will understand this thing easily, right? So here the first, this doesn't have the charge separation, and this also doesn't have the charge separation, right? So that means first and fifth, so first and fifth are equally stable structures, right? Now these three which has charge separation, so this molecule has the longest charge separation, and these two structures have same distant charge separation. That means 2 and 4 are equally stable. Now this one is least stable. So this is the stability order of all the resonating structures of phenol, right? So beta here if I am going to write the resonance energy related to these structures, then the resonance energy of phenol will be resonance energy of hybrid is this one, hybrid structure, minus resonance energy of more stable resonating structure, and more stable resonating structure is 1 or 5, they are equally stable. So resonance energy of 1 or 5 resonating structure, right? So this is, now beta come to some note. I am going to write a note here. So beta, the note is, first note, 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 resonance hybrid is more stable than any resonating structure. The first note. The second note is resonance hybrid obtained or near to more stable resonating structure, right? These are two notes. Now beta, let me explain more about the resonance energy. I am going to show you the practically what is the resonance energy actually, right? Because with the help of definition and hard to understand the resonance energy. But one thing I would like to say you, I am making your concept crystal clear with the help of suitable examples and questions are there. So please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel Brilliance Academy. This channel is Brilliance Academy, so please subscribe the channel. More videos are there. I will make more videos on miscellaneous questions on different topics, so please the first thing you must do, that is like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Please. Thank you.